Hi, it's been a while. You might be wondering what I am up to.
I just need a little peace and quiet, some time all to myself.
So basically what I am trying to do right now is transfer and shift to going live.
For my mental health, won't let it slip away.
So what happens when I'm going live is, good thing is this app actually called Restream helps me to go live on Facebook and YouTube at the same time so that I can answer your questions in a real time. And when I feel like it's live, you are actually being honest, present. For the pre-recorded videos, what I used to do was record myself and listen and then talk, so that way I don't have to do too much of editing, and editing does take a lot of time.
Girl, nowhere in the world let me ease my mind.
And so to be able to cut off my editing time and also be able to connect with you, to be able to answer your questions right there, right then, when you have that urge of some skincare questions or nutrition questions. And honestly, regarding nutrition, I'm still in the phase of learning more. I always wanted to learn more about nutrition because, to be honest, right now the knowledge of my skincare is up to here and my nutrition is like up to here. So to be able to bring it up, I am trying to read books and get more classes to it. So those are the things that I'm trying to do, so I can have the level of the skincare and the nutrition together. And you may already know that I'm a licensed skincare specialist and also a certified holistic nutritionist. I did get my certification, but the studies I did, the number of people I had to go through for training and all, it was not enough. So I feel like I still have a lot to learn. But let me look into the agenda for today. And in this video, what I'm trying to do is like,
I wanna lay here without a single care.
just try to do it as live so that I won't be doing too much of editing, and have some bullet questions to look at, and that way I can help you make this video a little bit seamless for you. Okay.
Let the wind blow my hair till I've had my share.
So what I'm up to, I told you that most of the time that's taking right now is shifting it to the live, and also I am building a website. And for the website, you already know probably that my website is skincarewithsajana.com as the name of this YouTube. Or if you're watching on Facebook or from Instagram, everything is Skincare with Sajana. And from there, I was building the website, and I am building it in such a way that I am doing most of the work. It is something I never knew how to do it. My brother did help me in the initial to get started with. So from there, I picked on some of the things, did a lot of YouTube videos to learn about how the backend works for building the website. And right now I did most of it. I still have a lot to go, and I'll show you how it looks like. So
I wanna go to the lake, I wanna sip a milkshake, let the sun bake.
So by next week, I hope by next week I will prepare everything and have everything ready to go live. And the topic that I have picked for us to discuss about is called mask acne. So mask acne is basically, we have to wear masks these days, and underneath most of you will be breaking out. Also teach you how to solve those mask acne problem, not only by the products, but also you can use a healthier choices of products that you can use that helps you internally to help with the bacteria inside your mouth and all that. So those are the things that I will be able to help you.
It's golden brown. Hey, everybody calm
cover everything in detail with the mask acne. So next time when you are facing that problem, then you can look back to that live video, and also we'll be discussing, and by next week, probably on Friday, I hope it's gonna be Friday, that if you have any questions on mask acne, you can tune in, and I will be posting a Canva of thumbnail premiere on YouTube, so that way either you are in YouTube or Facebook, I will still be able to look at your comments and answer your questions.
I won't get mad, no, I'm not a beach girl, not a mountain girl.
It's a little bit difficult for the Instagram because the Restream, the app that I'm using, it's only allowing to go live on Facebook and YouTube right now, but it does not have Instagram because it has different features, I believe, so that's why they don't have that. But yeah, I'm looking forward to go live next week, and
let me ease my mind, I need my me time.
You may feel like I haven't been present making content, watching the videos so that they can get some ideas of how to heal your skin concerns from within. So those are the things that I'll be continue doing it live, so that way I will be able to cut off on editing part and also be able to add more connections with you. And this video, I wanted to do it as behind the scene kind, so I will show it to you how it looks like, my setup. And basically, this is my bedroom right here, and since most of us are working from home, that I had to make a space. And usually I do not like to work in the bedroom, but no option. But I have this little corner to myself now that I'm slowly building. It's still in the process of making its way to its a convenient way to take the videos, because setting up the video setup takes a lot of time, so that way I want to be able to make it in a way that I can turn on the lights and it's ready to go and shoot and create a content for you guys. And okay, if you are in Nepal and you are watching my video, I would say I hope तपाईहरुले आफ्नो टेक केयर गरिराख्नु भएको होला. प्लिज मेक श्योर तपाईहरु मास्क लगाउनुहोस्, बाहिर जाँदाखेरि डिस्टेन्सहरु मेन्टेन गर्नुहोस्. This situation is getting out of hand, and this is something that you should consider it. तपाईको health is the most important thing right now. तपाईले आफ्नो टेक केयर गर्नुभयो भने तपाईले अरूहरुको पनि टेक केयर गर्नुहुन्छ भने I'm pretty sure about this. So I would highly ask you to take this situation seriously and make sure that you are taking care of yourself and your family. You can even tell your friends that in this situation you would rather spend more time inside and be more safe than trying to go out and enjoy and all. I mean, I know it is difficult, but the thing is, if you have to go out, make sure you're wearing mask, and then take a hand sanitizer with you. Whenever you come home, make sure you wash a hand. So for more, I will see you next week live, and for now you can actually look at, if you are home and you are free, I have made a couple of videos in Nepali, so you can actually take a look at it and get help from your situation. के गर्ने यो सिचुएसनको बेलामा भन्यो भने यो भिडियोहरु मैले बनाएको छु, यो प्लेलिस्टमा गएर हेर्नु होला. So it will help you with the situation and also help you with the things that's going along right now in Nepal. And be safe, and I'll see you in the next video.
I just need a little peace and quiet, some time all to myself, for my mental health. Don't let it slip away.